All right, so we have about 2 minutes until market opens. Facebook continues to sell off. The pre-market currently down to 245. Looking ugly. Nasdaq currently down 2.7. We'll see what today brings in for us. All right, we have a minute till market opens. All right, 10 seconds. Market is open. All right, let's see what we get. Amazon, I'm sorry, not Amazon. Yeah, Amazon and Facebook continue to sell off. Amazon down 6%. Damn, Facebook down 24%. It's about to hit 25. That's crazy. Nasdaq wanting to bounce a bit. Facebook and Amazon not doing it though. Facebook continues to sell off. Facebook finally having some type of bounce there. Nasdaq wanting to rally. Let's see if Amazon and Facebook can help it out a bit. I usually don't trade in the first few minutes. I'll let something form and then we'll see which way it wants to go. Nasdaq wants to run here. It's having a nice little pop. Let's see if Amazon can bounce with it too. So I actually bought a call yesterday on Amazon for the pre-earnings run up today. Since Google had a good earnings, Amazon popped off of it. If you guys can see, let me show you guys the fucking Nasdaq with the nice bounce. That's good. So here on Amazon, we had the after hours run up with Google earnings, but then it sold off. I bought in here somewhere like midday, closer to the end of the market close, and expecting this to kind of start to run a little bit with pre earnings. Spy was looking good. QQQ was looking good. So I was like, all right, it's probably gonna have a green day tomorrow. Next thing you know, Facebook announces earnings, and now we're down 6% on Facebook. I mean on Amazon. So that's how it's going right now. Not good. I did get time on that Amazon call though. What is it? It's a February 18th, so I do have some time on it. I mean, if fucking Amazon could rally all the way back to 3,000, that'd be sick. It's 5% move though. Facebook making a new low. Currently down 25%. Jesus Christ. I did buy Facebook in the after hours at 250. I am gonna hold it though. Gonna wait to see if it wants to bounce in the next week or so, and probably do a covered call on it. Dude, Facebook fucked the whole market up today. Today was gonna be a nice solid green day for the markets. Already know it, but Facebook fucked everything up. I don't mind holding Facebook though. Pretty solid company if you ask me though. $25 on just oh my god, Nasdaq. Jesus Christ. You guys see that shit? That's ugly. I'm gonna get short there because of that big wipe down. I got in at 700 flat. Let's see if this wants to continue to push down because that was ugly. That, oh my god, Facebook at 240. Jesus. Yo, did I get faked out? Or are we gonna make this move? Oh no! I got faked out. Let's see what this candle wants to do. I'm out. Looks like it's probably gonna break up right now. That's why I don't really trade right away, but that big red candle, dude, those candles always bring me in. I cannot not get in, you know? Look at that. Oh my god. Those are ugly though. Those are the worst. Whenever it reverses like that after big red, I'm just fakes you out. Fakes you out hard. Nasdaq with the big pop though. Come on, Amazon, do something off that. You're still down 5% just because Facebook wanted to drop? Come on, bro. Nasdaq still making that move up. Should have stayed on the sidelines. Oh my god, Facebook 238. That is so ugly. The sell-off does not stop. Ignore that. That's just my Roth. I'm selling some stuff. I'm gonna buy. Believe it or not, I'm gonna buy some Facebook on my Roth. Oh my god, it continues. That's ugly. Nasdaq though with the big bounce. That's what I love to see. I got faked out on that short, but it's alright. Let's get a rally on Amazon. Amazon's still down 4% off of Facebook. That's crazy. Okay, I just got filled on that from my Roth. Okay, I bought some on the Roth as well. This sell-off though, fuck, that's ridiculous on Facebook. If if Roth starts, wait a minute. If Facebook starts hitting that 230 range, which will put it down to like 30, 27%, 28%. Ooh, I'll start adding some more. Kind of want to buy some more Facebook. Mark is kind of getting stuck here a little bit. Nasdaq's only down 2.2 now. Gotta be careful. Nasdaq selling off a bit. I bought 100 more of Facebook right there at 240. Let's see if we can make this run up to 240 243 or so. I think I might just actually hold these shares though for the rest of the day. I mean, it's down quite a bit. Amazon's down 5% on a date like today. That's crazy. Looks like Facebook wants to sell off a little bit now after I bought it, which is typical, you know? I'm short on NASDAQ right now. It looks like it's trying to break down a little bit. Uh, could reverse though. Alright, selling off. Big red candle there. Can we get another push down? Oh no. I got out there. It's kind of struggling a bit. It's all good. I do hope this bounces though. Hope this sell off is pretty weak and it bounces instead. Currently down 2.4 on NASDAQ. Sell off still kind of continuing. Amazon's trying to hold it a little bit. I don't know if it can. Let's have one of those massive reversals and fucking turn green for the day. Ah, there it goes. NASDAQ. Don't do this to me, brother. Don't do this to me. Let's see if I can hold a 5-minute EMA on the the EMA on the 5-minute chart. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Amazon looks weak as fuck. Probably close out these calls. Oh, nice, 877. Sold out. I sold out that Amazon call for about a $23 loss or some $23 loss or something like that, which is actually surprising because Amazon stock is down about 6% from where I bought it, which is ridiculous. Nvidia though, this one, I'm down a little bit more on this one. Where is it at? No, it's not down. Nvidia's down quite a bit more. I'm gonna hold it a little bit longer. See if this one wants to have a little run up. All right. Damn, Nasdaq selling off. Set the lows. Amazon selling off, looking weak. Amazon just couldn't. I mean, Nasdaq just couldn't get up there. It had a nice little 100-point rally, but then it just gave it all up. It's kind of getting stuck now. Would like to see some type of support here at this level, and then we start to break above 815 again. Once we break above 815, we can start to push back above to the 1500 up there. Let's see how Nvidia's looking. Nah, that's pretty weak. We'll see what it wants to do today. Nasdaq with a nice low bounce there. Catching some support. Needs to start to break above 740 for me to think about going long. Nasdaq looking to bounce here. Let's see if it can. I remember about 740 and above is when you would look to start to add on there. Facebook trying to bounce. Amazon's trash, selling off pretty hard. Let's see if the whole market could start bouncing here. Facebook wants to bounce, but it's having a little bit of trouble. Let's see. I'm going to look at something. So when Netflix first sold off, we had a big sell-off in the beginning. This was a what? $25 sell-off, and then we had a bounce. And then the next day, sold off again. Kind of just hung out there and then started to rally. Look at this monster rally though. We went from being all the way to 20% rally. Damn. We have Facebook starting to sell off again. When will Facebook catch support is the question. Damn, Amazon's doing trash. It's down fucking 6% going into earnings. Imagine they announce 3-1 split. I mean 30-1 split, like, or was it 20-1 split like Google? That'd be crazy. Let's see how much these Amazon puts would be. Sorry, calls. Nasdaq's just chilling there. It's not really doing much. S&P too. There you go. Finally starting to sell off. Not good, but it is what it is. Bro, a fucking an Amazon 3100 call. So that's about what, $300 from where it's at right now. $34 per contract. You're kidding me. I'm not paying that. That's ridiculous. I'd rather sell one of these calls. Oh, it's for next week. I'm an idiot. Getting a nice little bounce there. Pretty big bounce actually on NASDAQ. Ooh, solid. I got in there at 30. Let's see if we could continue this big bounce. Let's make a move up to that VWAP at 60. This has the potential to just fake out and just reverse. So be careful. Yep, it did that. Just started to fake out. It still could continue, but that big red green candle was just a fake. All right. So we got Facebook trying to bounce a little bit. We have Nasdaq still a little bit selling off. Amazon's at the low. Amazon's trash. Glad I sold my call for about a $20 loss only. Let's see if we can get another pop on Facebook. Nasdaq, big green candle. We might want to break VWAP here. It's holding pretty good, has a nice push. Tesla is green for the day. Oh, it's getting rejected. That's ugly, Nasdaq. Come on, you gotta break above. Break above that VWAP. It's holding pretty good here for Nasdaq. Let's see if Nasdaq can finally make that push above VWAP. It's been getting rejected a few times now, so if it gets above that VWAP, that'll be very good. We could try to get back above in this range about 1810. Sorry, 810, not 18. Let's see, Nasdaq's trying to make that push. Amazon, it's at the bottom, surprisingly. Tesla is green. Let's see what we got here. Tesla is skyrocketing from the open. I got in there for Nasdaq. Let's see. Nasdaq. Let's see if we can make that push up here with this candle now. There it goes. Finally made that move up. Gonna add there. Let's get a stronger push now. Let's get the follow through. We're not gonna get it. There you go. Come on, get that follow through. Let's go to 80. I'm gonna sell one there. Sell another one there. Very good push. Facebook, why aren't you following suit? You're lagging. Nasdaq with the strong push. Looking good. Tesla. Let's see. Let's check other tech stocks. Apple. This is about to be green and it's down 0.2%. Microsoft's still down 0.8. Facebook still down 24%. Nvidia is having a nice little pop. I do have that call still on Nvidia. Surprisingly, I'm just about break even and the stock is down, 1.3% from where I bought it. No, Facebook, why are you selling off? Amazon's finally starting to bounce a bit. Facebook looking to sell off, it's fine. I'm very surprised with this market bouncing. Facebook just needs to make a reversal and start bouncing. That way it could get back to 20% only. 25% sell off is just ridiculous, by the way. Amazon's having a nice pop there. So today at close we have Amazon, Ford, Snap, and GoPro for earnings. Snap currently down 18% on Facebook's announcement. Holy shit. Damn, Nasdaq's gonna continue here. I bought some at 86. Let's see if we can get this push up. Doesn't look like it. That's alright. Snap though. Snap's down 20%. That's painful. Oh my god, Nasdaq, what are you doing, bro? I just bought you and then I just sold you at the bottom. I'm gonna buy you at the top here again for what? For a fake out? Let's go. I double down on you now. Let's get that pop. Let's hit that 800. There you go. Get that pop. Where's the volume at? There you go. Sold both there. Bro, Snap. Fuck, those puts for 20 are... I'm not buying shit. Facebook having a little pop there. Can we get to 48 on Facebook? GoPro has earnings today. What is like 10% sell off on GoPro? 8 to 84 minus, does just say 15%? 7.5. Man, those calls are kind of trash. Might fuck around and... Oh, Nasdaq, there it goes. About time. Dude, this is solid for Nasdaq though. Come on, Facebook. Let's get a pop. Let's go to 48. Oh my god, look at Nasdaq. Fuck. That's beautiful. Facebook kind of getting stuck here. I might just sell out. There you go, Facebook with the pop. Wow, I got sold right away. Facebook's getting stuck here. I'm looking to sell out of my Facebook here. Let's see if we can break 48 though. A lot of sellers at 99 and at 48. Oh, big block at 48. Can the buyer step in though? Oh no. Facebook needs to break 48. Oh, it's selling off. It's fine. There's a big block sellers at 48. That's alright. Nasdaq looking to bounce again. Can Facebook continue to rally off the bottom here? It's having trouble at 48. Selling off right now. Nasdaq looks solid though on the 1 hour. Facebook selling off, unfortunately. Let's see if we can get a bounce. 1 hour looks pretty good. We have a nice little sell off, but it's trying to bounce again. We need to get above 45.50 for S&P, and we need to get above 860. Nasdaq selling a little bit. It's fine. That's normal. It's expected. Facebook selling off too. Facebook continues to sell off a bit. Oh, Amazon, those fucking calls I had are worth quite a bit now. It's crazy. So we have AMC. AMC is green. Baba's green. That's surprising. Oh, Nasdaq making another move here. Nasdaq making that move again. I might go long here. You might want to add here. Let's see if it can start to break above. I do want to buy some QQQ calls. I feel like Amazon might have some good earnings, so kind of want to get prepped for that. Amazon looking pretty good. Bouncing pretty good there. Should have kept those calls. I would have been up about $200-300. Nvidia looking pretty solid. Facebook, come on, bounce, baby, bounce. What are you doing? Facebook selling off a bit. We might see a bounce off of that VWAP. This is one of those kind of trades that I get that I'm willing to be in it for a few days up to a few weeks, you know, just because not Facebook's just solid. Nasdaq making that move. Wow. This shit has strength today. I love it. All right, so Nasdaq with the pretty big sell-off there, pretty big red candle, which is all right. We'll see if it wants to kind of come back to that VWAP and kind of just start to bounce again. Oh, I got short there. I was expecting that to flush right now. Let's see if it will. Usually though with these big red candles, I always get faked out, man, every time. So let's see if this one wants to actually flush. There, I got out. That was a very quick trade. I just wanted to get out quick just because this thing's known to just fake me out with those big red candles. Facebook having a nice little bounce there. What do you guys think we'll close at today for Facebook? Will we close at negative 20%? Facebook's bouncing there pretty good. Actually, has some good strength. Let's see if we can get above 248 and hit that 250 area. So, yeah, I am looking to get some QQQ calls though. Just because the 1 hour chart is actually looking pretty solid, even with this big sell off, we're still kind of holding this area. And I want to see if we could just start to hold, and then with Amazon's earnings, if they're good, we start to push up again to a new high. Currently where we're at, we're still at we're still about almost 12% almost from the highs. One hour is still looking good. We need to get above 866 on NASDAQ, which is only about 100 points. It can make that move. It's currently down 300, it's currently down 2%. It can make that move easily. Oh, AMD's up 1.2% on the day? What a savage. 1% on the day. Nvidia's currently down 1% on the day. But AMD is green on the day. What a beast. Now we got Facebook trying to make a new high, but NASDAQ's kind of selling off here, so it's having a little bit of trouble. We'll see if it can start to push that 250 area. It's alright, NASDAQ, Amazon selling off a bit. Trying to see, we got GoPro who has earnings too. GoPro's not that liquid. Let me see what GoPro has though. GoPro's currently down a little bit on the day. How much are the 8? That's expensive. What about next week? $7. Calculator. 8. For it to drop to $7, you would need a over 20% move. That's too much. I'm good. What's another stock that's having earnings that could possibly move? So we have Amazon, we have Snap, Activision. But that one's currently being bought out by Microsoft, so that one's not going to move much. Yeah, ever since it had this kind of buyout rumor or acquisition, it's not going to move. We also have Pinterest, GoPro, Pin. Is it Pin or Pins? Pinterest is down 7% today. It's been on a move down ever since 2021. Last earnings had a green day. Previous earnings gapped down significantly. Gap down today due to the Facebook. Let's see, Pins. A $20 call would put it at 20%. I am not betting on that. I need a bigger stock. That one's. We have Skechers and GoPro. GoPro could definitely see some sell-offs. Let's see. GoPro's very in liquid. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about GoPro. Come on, Facebook wants to rally, but Nasdaq's kind of holding the back right now. Probably gonna have to just play Amazon. Do you guys think we could go green today for Nasdaq? It's tough. Amazon, that 3,100. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. 3,300. I'm not buying that shit. Facebook, pretty big red candle there. Dollar move or so. Couldn't get above. It's alright. We need some fucking firms to start buying this shit up. Come on, Nasdaq, let's get a pop. I do believe this thing wants to pop and rally, Nasdaq. We just got to get up there, though. It's kind of having trouble. I'm currently buying 2 QQQ puts. Two QQQ calls for 370. For $2 each. I might get executed here any second. They're currently at 205, 206. Let's see if we can get executed on this red candle right here forming. Oh, they're currently at 202. Will I get filled? I'm going to buy 2 as an entry point. If it starts to sell off a little bit, I'll get in on 2 more. But I do see this having a pretty solid green day today. Oh, there goes Nasdaq right before I got filled. Starting to pop again. Oh, massive. Such a beast, man. Nasdaq is not playing today. I jumped in there at 801 just to see if we could get a pop up there again. Again, I'm being very quick with these in and outs. I'm getting in pretty quick, getting out right away if it doesn't work out. Oh, that's not good. I bought one more at 87. Let's see if this wants to pop back up there, because we've seen these where it just kind of fakes out with the next candle. Let's see if we can get a pop on the next candle after this one. Come on. Start to pop up there again. Reverse. I bought those 2 QQQ calls. Got executed on those. Come on, we need to pop on this one. No. Let's get a pop. Facebook getting a little pop there. Amazon trying to pop there too. Come on. Let's get a nice little pop. This candle though kind of faked me out. It was a pretty strong candle. I was like, God, this is a move right here. And then it couldn't do it. It looks like we want to start breaking down though. Yep. Let's see if we can hold that VWAP. If we can't, I'm getting out. Let's get a strong bounce off the VWAP. Starting to break it. Let's bounce. Facebook with the big red too. It was finally getting some traction. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get some pop. Damn, that shit got rejected right away. It's not good. Still holding that VWAP area though. Be mindful of that. It's about to break it though. Fuck. It's also on the 5-minute VWAP, so I'm gonna buy one more just to kind of be in there with 4 contract. Oh, just as I did that, this shit breaks. Come on, let's get a bounce. Fuck me, dude. I'm gonna sell this shit right now, and I know it's gonna pop back up. It always does this shit. I always sell at the bottom every time. I always manage to sell at the bottom. 5 minutes still kind of holding that VWAP. That's why I'm kind of just hesitant to sell it, because I already know it's gonna pop back up there. Oh my god, come on. Let's get a pop. Let's get a solid bounce here. Can we get a strong bounce here? And get back above that VWAP? Come on, don't make me sell at the bottom here. Fuck me. At the literal bottom, watch. It's just gonna bounce too, bro. Every time. I held it for way too long. I should have started selling it over here, but there I am, holding that shit all the way down. Like an idiot. That's unfortunate. I do have those QQQ calls right now. I am holding those. This candle's starting to look ugly though on the 5 minutes, so I don't know. That's what I was kind of basing it off of. I was hoping to hold that 5 minute on here. Starting to sell off pretty good there though. Facebook selling off a little bit too. Looks like the buyers are no longer here, man. Sucks. We were looking very bullish up here. When we were up here, we were looking very bullish. But then, damn, I got faked out by this candle right here. You guys see this candle? See, this is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for a fucking bounce so I could get out, but this fucking candle would not fucking bounce. So I just couldn't get out. Sucks. But you guys see this candle right here? This one faked me out. Had a nice pop. I was like, this is it. This is the one. It's holding. And then flush. And then I just held all the way. I held all the way down. Now I'm just gonna wait to see if anything good starts to form here. Any good patterns? So far, not looking good. I need Facebook to start to bounce, man, so I could get out of that trade. Damn, the sell-off continues. Nasdaq, ugly red candle for the 5-minute. Not what you want to see, especially when you're bullish. There goes my QQQ calls. Should have waited. Down about 15 cents on each one. Facebook continues to sell off. Fuck me, man. Should have gotten rid of it. Hopefully we get a reversal one soon here. Get back above the VWAP EMA on 5-minute and 1-minute chart. And then start to break that 815. Remember, on the 1-hour chart, the goal is to get above 870 on the 1-hour chart. Can we do that though? I don't know. I'm gonna set some alerts here. It's looking very weak now. Volume has slowed down. Still holding those QQQ calls. If we could start getting above the EMA and VWAP and then above this resistance right here that we have and holding, I'll definitely still be bullish. If not, I'll look to get rid of those calls. What is Amazon at? Let's see. How much are these puts worth up here? Bro, 2,500 put, which only what? $300 away? It's 20 something. Jesus. What about a $2,300 put? $9? Jeez. What about Snap? Snap's currently down $6, which is about 20%. Those puts are up 350%. I'm not buying that. What about no? Let's go back to Amazon real quick. Let's look at the daily. What is Shopify doing? Shopify is currently down 6% as well. What is the IV on this shit? Shopify $600 put. What put it at? What's 828? Shopify puts would be down to when does Shopify announce earnings? Shop it's next week, so I would probably do Fab 11 700 or 600. Shopify puts would be pretty solid if Amazon has bad earnings. Market's starting to slow down a bit here. So I got my QQQ calls currently down about 15 cents on those. I only got 2 of them entry position, so I'm gonna see if depending on how we play out, if this thing wants to start to get back above the VWAP and EMA soon, I'll look to add some more. And then if Amazon gets good earnings, then push the whole market up. Hi, kiddos. And a nice little bounce here. Hopefully, it pushes us back to the VWAP, above VWAP and EMA on the 5-minute as well. All right, so Nasdaq's looking pretty weak here. It wasn't able to get back above that VWAP like I asked, and it's starting to sell off now. So that's unfortunate. Calls aren't doing too good anymore. Might look to get rid of them. See what we do here. Facebook broke below that VWAP. Looking ugly. Facebook is not looking pretty. We'll probably test new lows on Facebook if Nasdaq can't get back above to the highs that it made here at 7:30 a.m. Those QQQ calls are currently down about 23 cents. Facebook continues to sell off. It's unfortunate, but we'll see what it does moving forward. I am going to call it a day there. Currently down about 300 on NASDAQ. We'll see where we end the day.